Hey, what's up? So I'm coming to you like literally no makeup, no nothing. I really put this video on simply to kind of help other women realize that there's more than one way to make money from home, okay? So I'm going to give you the 6 income streams that I personally have. And if you want to get involved in any one of these income streams, come talk to me, okay? I can definitely help you with that. So I'm gonna go from what makes me the most money all the way down to what makes me the least amount of money. But all of these different streams of income is what collectively gives me my income at the end of the month. My first one is life coaching. And so I have a membership program where I do group coaching and one-on-one coaching. And I teach Christian women how to grow more confident in their life, in their business, in their ministry. Sometimes that means that somebody just wants to get healthy, lose weight. Sometimes that means somebody wants to make more money or save money or whatever it is, the changes that they want to make in their life. I help coach them through that so that they can achieve the goals that they want to achieve, okay? The second one is courses. Now, the reason I love courses is because they are basically 95% passive income. What passive income means is that you put all of your effort into something one time, right? So you do all the work on the front end and you put all of the effort in on the front end, and then it's done. From that point on, you get to sell what you already put to work. And so 95% of that work gets done on the front end. And then that's when you are marketing the course, so on and so forth. But all the hard work and all the heavy lifting is already done for you. So for anyone who is busy, for anyone who already has a full-time job, but they're looking for another stream of income, courses are definitely a way you want to go. My third income stream is from network marketing, right? Or direct sales, whatever it is you want to call them. This is when you are marketing a product or a service, and when people buy that directly from you, it's a direct sales company, and then you go ahead and get a commission off of what you do. So I want you to think of like all these YouTubers and Instagram people who are always talking about these products, and that's more of affiliate marketing, right? And so I'll talk about affiliate marketing in a second, but the network marketing model is that I'm getting paid on my own efforts, but I'm also getting paid for the people that I am training, the team that I am building, and the leaders that I am raising up to show them how to market their products and services themselves. You're helping these people build a brand. You're helping them with their social media marketing. Network marketing is one of the smartest business models out there. And I think by this time, day and age, people already should know that it is definitely a sustainable business when you are looking at it long term, right? So it's not one of my main incomes, but it is an income nonetheless. So now I'm going to bring it to affiliate marketing. Affiliates, you are getting paid one time and one time only. So what I do like about affiliate marketing is that you can go ahead on Amazon, like I'm an affiliate with Amazon. So I can go ahead on Amazon, look for something that I really like, that I enjoy, that I use, and then I can tell other people like, hey, this is the product to get. This is why you should get it, so on and so forth. And then when they go ahead and get that product, you in return get a commission. What I love about affiliate marketing, and this is just some tips for you now, in Amazon, if I am marketing like this, right? Let's say I'm marketing like a podcast mic. If I'm marketing this podcast mic and somebody decides to get it, but then they're shopping around Amazon and they decide they want to get a light kit, or they decide they want to get something else like a ring light, whatever it is, everything in that person's cart, I get a commission off of. It's not just the microphone that I'm getting a commission off of. I also love that they can come back 10 days later, right? Links last more than one day. So they can come back 10 days later and decide to buy some grocery from Amazon. I will still get a commission off of that link. So that's just 2 quick tips just to let you know how affiliate marketing works. It's something you want to add in your box of tools when it comes to income, because it does add up, right? They're these small little purchases all together, they add up. I write books, and so books is another way that income comes into my house every single month, because you write the book once, and then as you are on social media or marketing yourself on different platforms, your books are selling because you're mentioning your books. And so lastly is speaking engagements. I am not like full throttle speaking at every place I can get my hands on, right? I'm taking these speaking engagements as they come. And that's why I mentioned it last, because it's not necessarily something that I do on an everyday basis or that I'm actively marketing on an everyday basis. But when I do go speak at different events or different venues, I do get a check for that speaking engagement. So if you're somebody who wants to speak, if you're somebody who wants to learn how to speak, speaking can be a very lucrative side business if that's something you're into. So what I teach women to do is, number one, start with one stream. Okay, start with one stream, and that is producing consistent money for you. Then you can move on to the next income stream. And it doesn't mean that you just ignore that income stream. It's just that the income stream that you have built, it needs less attention, because now you have systems in place that are doing the work for you. Right? So I know like a lot of this can sound like, oh my gosh, this sounds like so much work that I have to do. Listen, start with one. Start with one. I started in network marketing. Network marketing produces more female millionaires than any other entrepreneurial business out there. The business model of network marketing is, bar none, one of the greatest. It's why it's a part of my toolbox. I'm not gonna let that go, right? And so if you are interested in working on one stream, I will tell you this. I would say start with network marketing, start with creating your own course, or start with coaching. So I want you to think about that. Think about courses, think about coaching, or think about network marketing. If you're looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for another stream of income where you're not trading so much time for money, right? If you are interested, we'll hop on a call and I'll just lay it all out for you. And if this is something that you think, yeah, I definitely want to create more income in my family's household, I want to do it in a way where I'm not spending 4 hours and 5 hours a day working on this stuff, I'm telling you, any one of those things, courses, coaching, or network marketing, you can do it. Like, you can do it. Okay? So that was just a little bit of information, just so that you know there are different ways that you can make money from home. You don't have to think that there's just one way to make money from home, right? It's all about creating a brand that is true to you, something that you love to do. It's not stepping outside of who you already are. It's about shining a light on who God has called you to be, right? So don't think about it as, oh my God, I'm going to have to do all these different things. I'm going to have to become this different person. No, I just need you to become more of you. So if you are interested, just let me know. Hit me up either on the feed, put interested, or DM me interested, and I can definitely get back to you. All right, talk to you soon.